Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Today I bring you a delicious dish from Cuba and it's called Platano tentación. It can be used as a side dish or it can be used as a dessert. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that I have. The ingredients that I'm going to be using tonight are 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cinnamon sticks, a quarter cup of white wine, a quarter cup of brown sugar, but you can use white, a quarter cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 anise stars, and 2 plantains. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by adding some oil to the pan. And to that, I'm adding, and you don't want to have your flame up too high. And to that, I'm going to add 2, hold on 1 second. To this, I'm adding 1 cinnamon stick. I'm adding 2 anise stars to that. I'm going to add some brown sugar. I'm also going to add some butter. Now I'm going to add some of the white wine. Now I'm going to start adding in the plantains. So we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes and I'll be back. You can sprinkle cinnamon on it if you want to, or you can wait to the end to sprinkle the cinnamon. So I'm just going to wait to the end to sprinkle the cinnamon. I'm going to add a little bit more sugar because I just tasted it and it seems like it's not sweet enough for my taste. So I'm going to add some more sugar. And I'm just going to put the sugar inside the oil. So it can melt. So I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook for about 5 more minutes. Okay, so now it's time for me to take it out and plate it. Oh, this smells so delicious. This is heavenly. Oh guys, this is my delicious Platano tentación. And it smells heavenly in this kitchen right now. Okay, so I'm going to take the piece on the end because, oh my goodness, look at it. This is delicious. And I'm going to the sauce too. I mean, I could get the sauce. This is delicious. Tastes like caramel sauce with cinnamon, vanilla, and a hint of salt. This reminds me of sweet potatoes. That's what it reminds me of. Candy yams. That's what it reminds me of, candy yams. This is really delicious. And you guys definitely have to make this dish. My mother used to make this for me when I was younger, but she never put wine in it. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. Well guys, this is my delicious Platano tentación with grilled chicken and some rice and some sweet peas. And it really is delicious. So this is, you can have this, like I said, as a dessert, or you can have it as a side dish. And this is like a side dish as like sweet potatoes or candy yams. Well guys, I'm enjoying myself too much. It's time for me to go, so I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.